Today's home workout with your qualified trainer, Wyndham-Read, is a 10-minute full body workout. So what I'm going to be doing is it's a little bit of cardio, it's a bit of HIIT. I'm going to show you a high impact as well as low impact. All the moves are standing, you don't need any equipment. It's a really lovely workout. We're going to include your warm-up, your workout, your cool-down. So all done in 10 minutes. So if you're ready, let's get started. So we're going to start with your quick warm-up. This is going to take about 45 seconds. Just follow along. We're just simply going to do these little toe taps behind. And this is just about increasing your core body temperature for the workout ahead. So just follow along. We're now going to do these little heel digs in front, just bending through the elbows. And if you prefer to not have the coaching, simply hit the mute button. And now let's just do a little bend through the knees, just punch the arm across. So we're just now mobilizing the knee joint, the hip joint, the shoulder joint, as well as your elbow joint. It's good, just follow along, and let's just do these little knee raises, just extend both arms up. So as said, this just means then we're really preparing your body for the workout ahead, doing really well. And let's just do a few of these big sunshine arms. And we are now ready to start the workout. So the first thing I'm going to do, you just march on the spot. Here is a preview of the first move. The high intensity, high impacts on the left. You do 6 little runs, then you touch the ground. If you want the low impact, just follow on the right. So we'll get straight into it. The timer bar represents 40 seconds. So just follow along. We've got no repeaters. This is move 1 of 7. I'm always going to show you the high impact and high intensity on the left, or if you prefer the low impact, low intensity, follow on the right. So just keep going. If you're following on the right, make sure you keep those tummy muscles pulled in tight. That's good. And we're just doing that little bend, then we're coming up and we're just doing those knee lifts. And if you're following on the left, we're doing the running on the spot and then just reaching down. That's good. So now we've done our 40 seconds. We're going to do 20 seconds recovery. Now, if you want to, you can keep up that high intensity, doing that light jog, or you can follow on the right, just marching it up on the spot. So you can see your next move coming up here. We've got a big high intense kick and step back. And if you want to, follow the low impact on the right. So let's get ready. So we kick in front, then step that foot back. Again, you're doing 40 seconds. Just remember the leg you're using, because for the next move, we'll work the opposite leg. So kick in front, step back. So this one here is great for flexibility. It's also, again, another full body move. It's really good here for working through your core as well. So we're really working through those tummy muscles. You're going to be working through the legs. We're toning and sculpting. This is incredible to really work through the glutes as well. So we're nearly done. Let's keep going till we reach that top on that timer bar. All right, well done. So either march out or jog that out. And I'm going to leave a link in the description down below, because I've got lots of these free challenges that you can join into. So next move coming up, you've got, again, same move, but this time we're going to use the opposite leg. All right, so let's get ready. And now we're going to kick that in front and then step that back. So again, this is that duration of doing 40 seconds. And kick in front and back. That's good. Doing really well. Reach up. And the more often you do this, you'll find that you are naturally really increasing your flexibility. Kick in front. That's good. Well over halfway on this one. So again, think this is another full body move. Kicking that up and back. That's good. Nearly finished. So let's just keep going. Do those last few. I know it's feeling tough now, but remember, it's a challenge that changes us. All right, so let's bring it back. Either your march or your jog on the spot. This is 20 seconds. Take a deep breath in, deep breath out. Let's have a look at your next move coming up. High impact on the left. You're doing these pendulum swings and punches in front. If you're following on the right, we're going to have arms up and just lift one leg from one side to the other. When you're ready, you can start adding in some punches as well if you want on that one. Just keeping that going. Again, we're doing 40 seconds on this move. So this is a really lovely lateral move. As I say in all my workouts, it's really important. Your body moves in 3 different planes of motion. It's important that we always engage all 3, and we do that always in all my workouts. That's it, just keeping that going. Really good, well done. Last little bit, just taking that up to the top. Nice control. All right, so next move, this time now, what we're going to do, let's take that back to a jog or march on the spot. Again, 20 seconds, get your heart rate back down a little bit. Have a look at the next move coming up. High impact on the left. We're doing these long arm hops and just going from one side to the other. If you're following on the right, simply take out the hop. So another really lovely, dynamic, full body move. Land softly, just go from one side to the other. Nice control, full swing with the arms and back. Keeping that going, that's good. And we're well over halfway on this one. Keeping that going, that's good. So it's a really quick workout today, and the nice thing is we're including your warm-up and your cool-down stretch. Let's just keep going, one side to the other. All right, well done. And let's now bring that back again to your march or your jog on the spot, keeping that going. Land nice and softly with those feet. So the next move, this one, instead of it being high impact, it's high intensity. So you've got 2 options. We're doing a little squat and a knee lift, or you do a squat and a kick. The one on the left is a little bit more challenging, so just do the move you prefer. So this is move 6 of 7. And the great thing is you can come back and do this workout every single day. One day you might want to do it as high intensity, the next day as low intensity. So with this, just be sure when you're doing your squats that you're keeping the knees behind the line of the toes, and we're just really kicking that leg up, or we're taking that to that knee lift. So this one here, we're really working lower body strength. We're still really engaging your core to help with stability, and we're also working through the upper body. Last little bit, let's just keep going till we reach the top on there. And that is your 40 seconds done. All right, let's bring it straight back, 20 seconds now, either jog or march. Then we'll have a little preview of the final move. So let's just keep that going. So the final move, we've got these jump in and jump out stars, or you can do the same but just a low impact version. So let's get ready, 40 seconds. Last move today, if you're doing the jump on the left, make sure you land nice and softly. Just keep that going. And the great thing is with this workout, the other thing that we're really doing is working your mental fitness, because we're working on agility and coordination. So this is why I like to always add in arms as well to these exercises, because it really makes you think, so it helps keep us brain fit as well. All right, that's good. Nearly finished on this one. Let's just keep that going till we've reached the top on there. Last little bit, nice control. So working the legs, working through the arms, and well done. So what I want you to do now, we're going to just do again 20 seconds, just really now starting to bring your heart rate back down. So if you're doing the jog on the left, slowly bring it back down to a march for me. That's good, and just really slow that pace right down. And it's really important that we do our full cool down stretch now. So just join in with me. This is also going to help with your posture and helps with your flexibility. So deep breath in and deep breath out. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to start with a calf stretch. So I want you to step 1 foot back, just feel that stretch through the back of the lower leg. Hands are on that leg in front, which is bent, and really feel that stretch. Hold that there. All right, that's good. And now let's just change, take that to the opposite leg, step that foot back, toes are pointing forwards, heel is down, and really feel that stretch. That's through the calf muscle, also known as your gastrocnemius. And I'm going to leave at the end of this video a playlist that you can click directly on, because I've got all these 5-minute workouts. So if you want to perhaps now work your legs, your bust, your abs, your arms, or do a bit more stretching, awesome mobility, you can easily find these. All right, just feel that nice hamstring stretch. Lift those toes up. Now take that to the opposite leg and just feel that all through the back of the upper thigh. Feeling that stretch there. And then coming up, let's now go for that quadricep stretch. Supporting leg is slightly bent. Feel the stretch through the front of the thigh. Holding that there, that's good. And now take that to the opposite leg. Make sure that supporting one's slightly bent for me. All right, so now bring those arms in front, get a lovely stretch through your upper back. And let's now just do that chest stretch. So take those arms behind. And now let's take one arm up, feel that stretch through the back of the upper arm. And I just had to show this, Princess Sultana, and that was Raisin running past as well. And let's take that to the other arm. Sometimes they appear in the videos, it's only when they want to. All right, well done. There is your high five, and remember what you and I have just done. We've just invested in your future health. So I'll see you back on my YouTube channel tomorrow.